Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat ha. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, please do subscribe na lang po. Feel free to like and comment. Ma-appreciate ko yung comment kahit po heart, smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin, guys. Nagpapakita yun ng suporta. And natutuwa ako mag-reading pag nakakita ko ng mga comment mula sa inyo. Let's start. This is for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Two of Wands. Queen of Swords. Nine of Swords. Hindi ito magre-relate sa lahat, guys. Queen of Swords, Nine of Swords, Four of Swords, and the Eight of Swords. I feel like currently nasa isang situation ka wherein wait lang, guys, ayusin lang natin. Hindi ka masaya. Maraming problem. Nakakita ko ng ending. Like, you want to end this. I feel like you are in a situation or nasa relasyon na hindi ka masaya. You want to cut off this person na kakonect mo. Because you feel like stuck ka sa taong wala namang feelings or emotions or feeling mo walang silbi. The Two of Wands, you want to get out of a situation or may pagpaplano sa'yo na gusto mo na umalis sa sitwasyon na to because nakikita mo na hindi mo na siya or hindi mo siya mahal or hindi mo siya gusto. You keep on thinking about the problems and mali dito sa sitwasyon ninyo ng person na ito. Parang nagising ka na sa katotohanan eh. I don't know. I feel like you're really not happy. You're really not happy. Tell me more. For Earth sign, please. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You over the Two of Swords. Yeah. For some of you, pwedeng may iba ka pang options. Nine of Cups is here or may iba ka pang minamahal. Three of Wands is here. There are times na lalo mo itong naiisip, no? Pag nagkakaroon ng pagkakagalit, pag-aaway. Six of Wands is here. Maaaring noon hindi mo ginamit ang utak mo. The Hanged Man. I feel like you are hanging on kahit nahirapan ka na. Or there are times na pinipigilan mo yung sarili mo magsalita. Pero I feel like hindi ka na masaya talaga dito sa connection or relasyon na ito. The Ten of Cups is here and the Three of Swords. So, maybe, naririndi ka. Kind of energy, naririndi ka na sa person na ito. Or naririndi ka sa sitwasyon ninyo. I feel like kung may mga iba pang taong involved dito, maybe children, masaya ka naman dun eh. But, regarding sa person na ito, maybe nahihigpitan ka sa kanya or maybe hindi ka, basta you're not komportable. Hindi ka komportable. There are times na ang dami mong iniisip tapos dumadagdag pa siya. Gusto kong kunin yung energy ng person naman na ito. Spirit guides, angel guides. For Earth sign, please. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, energy na person nakakonect ni Earth sign. You do have here the Four of Cups. Okay, hindi siya sigurado kung mahal mo pa siya. The Moon is here. Malakas ang kutob nitong person na ito. Na hindi. The Knight of Cups. Why do I feel like importante at mahal ka nitong person na to? But with the Ace of Swords, you are too focused sa mga new beginnings mo. Masyado kang focus sa new beginnings mo. And that parang wala kang pakialam sa pinaparamdam niyang emotion sa'yo. And with the Four of Pentacles, regarding this person, mahalaga ka para sa kanya. The Hierophant is here. So, for some of you, this is your karma. Karmic person. May mga lesson siyang itinuturo sa'yo or itinuro sa buhay mo. The Three of Swords is here. Feeling niya may mahal kang iba. May gusto kang iba. And you're thinking about this person. Alam niya yon. Malakas ang pakiramdam nitong person na ito with the Moon. With the Temperance, Sagittarius energy. Nagtitiis lang din siya sa'yo kasi mahal ka niya. Sa inyong dalawa, sa kanya ko nararamdaman yung pagmamahal kasi siya yung nasasaktan. Ikaw naiinis ka lang. Mas nangingibabaw sa'yo yung pakiramdam na nakakainis, ayaw mo na, nakakabwisit, hindi masaya. Yung person mo, doon ko nararamdaman yung nasasaktan siya, nagmamahal siya, pero parang kulang yung mga ibinibigay niya sa'yo, or pakiramdam niya, hindi ka talaga masaya kasi meron kang iniisip na iba. And that this person loves you and willing naman siyang ibigay lahat, pero I feel like hindi ka kontento sa pagmamahal or sa kung ano man yung mga binibigay niya. Okay? What will be the outcome? I will be using a different card. What will be the outcome of this situation? Spirit guides, angel guides. Six of Coins is here. The Sun, Nine of Cups, Five of Swords, one more card for the outcome ng connection ninyo. The outcome is the Four of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Swords, the Chariot. Guys, I don't feel like magiging happy ang ending ng connection. We do have here the Sun. Magiging masaya kung pagtutulungan. Pero with the Nine of Cups, I feel like you're still wishing for something to happen in your life. May mga gusto ka pa rin, hinahangad ka pa rin. I feel like this is your wish, your goals, or pangarap mo, or maybe this is a different person. For what I can see here, kung gusto mo talaga yung person na yun, if you really want that person, you have to end etong connection dito sa person na ito. Huwag mo na siyang pahirapan. There's regrets here. Panghihinayang, sitwasyon na parang pinagsisisihan. Pero if you want to be happy, kailangan mong makipagtulungan. No? Kung gusto mong i-work out itong connection na ito, which is nakikita natin parang medyo malabo, medyo mahirap, parang ayaw mo kasi andun pa rin yung talagang may hinahanap ka pa rin hindi ka masaya. And then go for it. You have to let go of this person para may accept mo itong kung ano ba talaga itong gusto mo dumating sa buhay mo. Okay? This other person, which is nakikita natin with the Nine of Swords, is really depressed kasi pinipigilan din niya yung sarili niya. Well, I feel like this person is nakakita tayo dito ng like maybe connection in the past, like habang nag-aaral pa kayo, like maybe college or high school days. Ayan. Itong person na ito is medyo stubborn. Hindi masyadong nag-initiate or gumagawa ng movement. Maybe because you are still in a relationship or in another connection. Yeah. Hindi tayo nakakita ng movement dito sa taong to. Well, if you want a connection between the two of you, kailangan mo munang i-end ito. Which is high chance na gusto mong i-end. The other person, itong person na ito is, I feel like kung ano yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo, kung kahit masakit para sa kanya, ibibigay niya. Kasi mahal ka niya. Ganun kanya kamahal. Kahit masakit para sa kanya, ibibigay niya. Kung yun yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo. This person is willing to let you go. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.